I did my eyelashes. I thought I saw something.
Gosh damn it, Destiny! What? Bro, why? For what? What? Yes! What? What? Are you just pranking me or something? Oh god!
Mom.
Gotcha.
What? Ow, ow.
Yes, you have. Destiny, stop! Kom, schat. Hey. Yes, you have. Get it. It is the right time.
Okay.
What's wrong with you? Oh my god, babe! Baby,
You're
look.
done fighting.
Shit!
Ryan. Oh my god. What is that?
Keep going.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Now take your hand out slowly. Nice and slow. You gotta take off the blindfold.
What is that?
No! Dai, Jacqueline! Cosa cazzo fare?
was in your ass or something. Alright, now take it off. Take your thing off. Take your thing off. Oh! Are you fucking kidding me? I have to show you how beautiful you are. I don't know. Oh shit! What'd you do that for? Oh damn! There's a bug on you.
There's not a bug on me. It's on you.
Okay, what's the video?
And look, there you go.
Makeup look good with my hair.
Oh shit!
Calm down.
Let's ask you some questions for this TikTok video.
The fuck is that?
Josh.
What? Why are you calling me? What?
Hey babe, say hi to TikTok.
Hey.
For a second.
Yeah.
Okay, where? No, stop. What?
Whoa! What is it in the car, bro?
Now it's gonna be ruined.
Don't move! Fuck off!
You keep asking me.
Can you just give Grace? What the?
Ready, but
Fucker, stop!
What?